During this webinar, we are going to cover how to use the All Makes Parts section on UCA Direct within the Duralift area on UCAdirect.com. Before we begin, I just want to basically cover what the All Makes Parts section is. This section is devoted to supplying dealers with the ability to purchase parts for all makes and models of forklifts. Yes, all makes and models of forklifts. To begin, you'll basically sign into UCAdirect.com like you normally would. There are two ways to enter the All Makes Parts section. The first is located at the bottom of the home page. Simply scroll to the bottom of the home page and you'll locate the All Makes Parts advertisement or e-spot. You can enter the All Makes Parts section by simply clicking on the All Makes e-spot, and that will take you directly to the All Makes Parts section. The second way to enter the All Makes Parts area is to go through the All Makes link, which is located in the bottom footer of the home page. This All Makes link is located on all pages within UCAdirect.com. So no matter where you are on the site, you will always be able to enter the All Makes section by going to the All Makes link in the bottom right-hand footer. So we'll go ahead and enter the All Makes Parts section simply by clicking on the e-spot. That'll bring you to the All Makes Parts section within the Duralift area on UCAdirect.com. There are three main areas in the All Makes Parts section. The first main area is the header located at the top of the page, which basically has two buttons. The Parts Home button, which always returns you to this main page within the All Makes section, and a Truck Lookup button, which allows you to look up parts for all makes and models of forklifts. We'll go over that in just a second. The second main area of the All Makes Parts section is the left navigational area on the left-hand side. At the top is a parts search box, which allows you to search on a specific part number or description or name of part. You also have categories in the left navigational area of the All Makes section that you can drill down into the catalog if you don't know a specific part number. So if you were looking for an oil filter, you could simply go to the filter section, click on the icon, click on the oil, and that'll basically load the page with all the oil filters that are available in the All Makes Parts section. And again, these are all the oil filters that are available for all makes and models of trucks. So that's how the categories works on the left-hand side. To jump back to the main home page area, simply click the Parts Home button at the top header, and that brings us to the third area of the All Makes Parts section, which is basically the main body or the main page which contains all your information. This will change as you look up things. It will also change whenever you enter the site. You'll see various popular items that are offered here in the main area. And then you'll have a scrolling e-spot at the top showing specials of the month. And as you can see here, the main body of the page shows all the parts. You have the ability to see the part number. You have the name of the part, the price of the part, and the ability to add it to your order. And by selecting Add to Order, that enters that part into your shopping cart within UCAdirect.com. You also have a More Details button, which will give you information about that part. So let's begin by simply going to the Truck Lookup section of the All Makes Parts area. The Truck Lookup area allows you to search on a specific model number of truck. For example, you can search using a complete model number or just a partial model number. So if you're looking for a Nissan truck, say a 1F2, and you know the model number begins with MCU, you get a drop-down menu that shows all the possible combinations or model numbers that start with MCU. So if we were looking for a 1F2, maybe a 30, simply click on that model number and select Lookup. That will basically populate the main body or the main area of the All Makes section with information specific to that model of truck. As you can see here, at the top area, it shows you the truck that you're looking up, the model number that you've selected, the make of the truck, and it also gives you specific information about the engine type that was used in that truck. I'll go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the page so that we can kind of center it. And again, you can center the information on the page by using the scroll bars at the bottom or on the right side of the page. Once you've found the model of truck that you're looking for, you'll notice that the parts are organized into different classifications. The accelerator area, brakes, parts for cooling, drive axle, electrical, engine parts, exhaust parts, filters, fuel parts, gaskets, hydraulics, lights, propane parts, mast parts specific to that model of truck, miscellaneous parts, steer axle parts, switches, sensors, or transmissions. All the parts are organized into these classifications for that specific model of truck. So if you were looking for brakes that might have been used on that truck, simply go back up to the brakes area, find the brake shoe, and use your mouse to roll over the name of the part you're looking for. That automatically pops up a specific picture of the part that you're looking for. You can see the part number of that part, the price, and then any specific notes that are required for that part or any notes that gives you information about that part. For example, this specific brake shoe, our system will tell you that 2 are traditionally required. So if you want to go ahead and purchase that brake shoe, simply enter the part number that you'd like. And again, you can scroll through the table and order additional parts by simply changing the quantity value in the quantity column. So if you wanted to go ahead and order this bolt and you wanted to purchase 5 of them, simply change the quantity to 5. As you scroll to the bottom, to place these parts on order, simply go to the bottom of the page and select the Order Selected Parts. And this will automatically populate the requested quantities into your UCA Direct shopping cart. I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll show you that the site will also ask you to show all secure content. So please note that whatever browser you're looking for or you're using to view the information, down here at the bottom, you will be prompted to display all content because this is a secure site. So go ahead and click on Show All Content. This will allow those parts to be added to your UCA Direct shopping cart, and you can see there that your shopping cart has changed. And then it brings you back to the main home page of the site. Now to give you another example, if you were looking for, again, an oil filter but you didn't know the part number, you wanted to use the search box at the top of the page, you can simply type in oil filter and hit enter. And that again will populate the main body of the page with all the possible oil filter combinations that are available for purchase. If you didn't know a specific item, maybe you only knew a partial part number, that search box works the same as the model search. You can simply enter the entire part number or just a part of it. So if we know that that part number for the oil filter starts with 15208, you can go ahead and click on that, and the search box shows all possible combinations and supersessions for any part number that starts with 15208-1. whatever the remaining number is. So if we find our part number that we're looking for and say we're looking for one specific part, we can go ahead and select this filter here. Hit enter. That will bring up that specific part. And again, it'll show you the part number that you've selected, the name of the part, and a picture of that part. And you can go ahead and click on the image to enlarge it, and that'll show you a more detailed picture or an enlarged picture of what you're looking for. If that's what you're looking for and you want to add it to your order, you can simply change your quantity or leave it at 1. So if we wanted to go ahead and purchase 3 of those, we can simply hit the Add to Cart, and you'll notice that your shopping cart in UCA Direct will change. So we'll go ahead and hit the Add to Cart button, and you'll notice too that on this page it gives you other recommended items over here in the right-hand corner. These are accessories that might interest you or that you might want to purchase at the same time. Just a helpful guide to let you know that there are other parts out there that you can purchase at that same time. So go ahead and hit Add to Cart. And again, at the bottom or somewhere within your browser, you will have to click the Show All Content button to allow that part to be added to your shopping cart. And again, you'll notice that that part has now been added to your UCA Direct shopping cart. Now we'll go ahead and review your UCA Direct shopping cart. To go ahead and check out, once you've purchased all the parts that you wanted from the All Makes Parts section, you can simply click on the shopping cart in the upper right-hand corner of UCA Direct, and you can review the parts that you've purchased in the All Makes section. And you'll notice that as these parts are getting added to your cart, you'll see the All Makes Parts image, letting you know that this is a Duralift All Makes part. Give you the name, the part number. You can add any additional comments that you want. And here on your order summary page, you can also change your quantity. And then if you're satisfied with your order summary, simply click Checkout, and that will bring you to the next page where you can finalize your order, which is the exact same process that you use now to order OEM parts. If you want to continue shopping for OEM parts, you can simply click on the UCA Direct icon in the upper left-hand corner. That'll bring you back to the main home page of the site, and then you can continue to shop for other OEM parts that you might need and add it to the same order. All the parts that are in the All Makes Parts section are drop ship parts only. So those parts will ship from a third party warehouse. They will not ship from our PDC. Orders placed by 4 p.m. in the All Makes Parts section will ship out the same day. So again, as you can see, we're back in the All Makes Parts section. And that basically covers the All Makes Parts section within UCADirect.com. The last thing I wanted to touch on again, though, and I want to emphasize, is that if you are looking for parts for a specific model of truck, other than Nissan, forklift, or TCM trucks, they can be found in this area. So just to give you an example, again, we'll just jump to the truck lookup area. And if you were looking for a part, say, for another manufacturer, give you an example, an 8FGCU20. Go ahead and click on that model. And you'll see that we have a full list of parts for other manufacturers. And again, these parts are going to be the fast-moving, popular parts for other manufacturers of trucks. As an example, this one here shows you a list of popular parts for a Toyota forklift. So again, everything can be found on UCADirect.com. This is going to be your one-stop shop for all your parts needs, no matter what make or model of forklift you're trying to service. That concludes our demonstration. Thank you.